Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, in today's video we will be creating a new post, so we will be uploading post to our Firebase. We will also fetch this image from Firebase, and as you may remember, we should have now an image, but we didn't, I forgot to implement it, so we will implement it too. So let's start coding, and first thing, in our service, let's create a new file, a Swift file. Let's call it post service. Okay, perfect. We will also import swiftui, and we will import firebase, and let's make a struct that we will call post service, and here we will have static upload post, and it will take post title as a string, and it will also take UI image of type UI image, which will be optional, and it's async throws. Okay, perfect. Inside my feed view model, I will here create a new function. I will call it upload post, which will be async throws, and here I will make try await post service dot upload post, and here I will give him here the UI image, and here let's make it an empty string for now. The reason is because when we implemented the create post view, I made the mistake of making my text here when it should be in the view model. So another problem is we didn't pass a view model here also. So okay, let's close this for now. Let's call our view model first. So it will be add state object private var view model of type feed view model, and inside our initializer we will call our view model of type feed view model, and it will be self dot view model equals state object with wrapped value of view model. Okay, perfect. Another thing now to do is to take this. I don't want it here. I will cut it inside my view model. Here it will be at published variable main text, and here I will give him main text. Okay, another thing to do now is inside here we need to call main text, so it will be $view model dot main text, and I think I used it a number of times, so here it will be view model dot main text, and here too it will be view model dot main text, and here also view model dot main text. Okay, perfect. Also we need to pass to create post view view model. So here first let's give it feed view model, and I think inside my header view, so in feed, in header view. Okay, I should here pass the view model. Okay, perfect. The second thing, of course, is it's closed, but I want the image to be from Firebase because this is not the right image. So in my create post view, okay, first I will start with this one. So we need to import Kingfisher. Okay, and here it will be kf image with URL type string, and it will be view model dot current user. Oh, I made a mistake in view model, I apologize. Dot current user dot profile image name, and if it's nil, let's give it an empty string, and it will be inside the z stack. So it will be a z stack, and here I will have below it an image call it no profile in case it's empty, and it will have the same modifiers. Okay, perfect. The second thing also, the name and last family name are wrong. It should be from Firebase too, so it will be view model dot current user dot first name, and if not, an empty string, and here it will be view model dot current user dot family name. Okay, and if not, of course, an empty string. So let's check that all this is okay, and if it is, we will start uploading our post, hopefully. So as always, finger crossed that everything is working the way it should be. Okay, perfect. The image is correct, the name too. So okay, perfect. The next step will be when I click on this one, I need to have a choice of images to choose one. I want it to be here, so we will go to our feed view model now, and first I will do this at published var selected create post image. And the reason I'm not wasting a lot of time on it because there is still a lot of things to do in this video, so this is something we already did, so need to waste a lot of time on it. And we'll also have at published var create post image. It will be of type image, and it will be optional. Okay, perfect. Now we will copy this. It will be load create post image, and I don't need the update. This one I don't need it, and it will be create post image. Okay, that's normally all we need. And also here it will be load create post image. Now that I'm talking, I remembered a problem also in our model, so we need to go to our model. If you remember, when we did this model, I told you to keep this commented because we didn't integrate Firebase yet, but now we got Firebase, so we will import Firebase, and we have now let timestamp of timestamp. Timestamp is the time. It's from Firebase to know at what time our post was created. We will need it later when we fetch the posts to have them sorted. Okay, perfect. I will build. I should have a few problems because I created a few posts and they don't have timestamps. So first we need to import Firebase here. And here for now let's give him timestamp, and soon enough when we fetch the post we won't need this anymore, we will delete it. But for now let's give him timestamp, which means this time it's nearly the same as date, but maybe the difference it's this one is from Firebase. It helps with Firebase later with to get the post sorted. Okay, anyway, now that we created the post, it's time to go to our create post now, and after this text field let's have view model dot create post image dot resizable dot scale to fill dot frame with width and height. I don't need alignment. For the height it will be 300. For the width I need to get the width of the screen, so of course dot resizable, not resizable. I need so a geometry reader, so we go here and above my vstack I will make it. Okay, when there is an error in your code, usually it doesn't okay, what's the problem? Okay, because it's optional. Okay, perfect. Usually when there is an error in your code, it doesn't display embed, the choice of embed inside something. So embed in vstack, and we will call it geometry reader. It will be proxy in, and here frame it will be proxy.size dot width. It will be dot clipped. It will be dot padding of dot leading and dot padding of dot top. Okay, perfect. Another thing is here we will have dot photo picker. Okay, and this one will be dollar view model dot selected create post image, and for this one let's create a boolean. So here I will have add published var show create post picker. It will be a boolean, and by default it will be false. And now if I go to my create post view, and here it will be dollar view model dot show create post picker, and of course we go to the one where we got the image. It's this one, this button, where we got the image of photo.fill.on.rectangle.fill, and here it will be view model dot show create post picker dot toggle. That way it displays it. Okay, perfect. And here inside my button, when I post, I want a task. And what are the things we will be doing? First, we will try await view model dot upload post. Second thing, we need to delete the other data, so view model dot main text I need to become an empty string. View model dot create post image. I want it to be nil. View model dot I think what did I call it? Load selected, I think, yes. Selected create post image equal also nil. Okay, and we will call also dismiss. Okay, perfect. I think it should be all the things we need. And let's make it a little bit larger. Okay, so we can see all the code. Okay, perfect. Okay, for this it's perfect. I think all what's left now to do is to go to our service and implement our upload post. So let's start coding. Guard let uid equal auth dot auth dot current user dot uid else return. Okay, also guard let ui image equal ui image else return. And before we continue, we will need the image uploader. So we will go to our image uploader, we will copy this, we will call it the upload create post image, and this one will be post image. Okay, that's all we need to change because we are going to call it. So here it will be let post ref equal firestore dot collection posts. We will have a new collection. We had a collection called user. Now we will have a new collection called post dot document. Okay, then we will have let post equal post, and we will call all the one except the one with the user because we don't need him now. It will be post ref dot document id, and it's from Firebase this one will be uid. The post title, it will be the post title that we are passing in the arguments. Post like, it will be static value, whatever you want. I will go for 2, charge 3. The post URL, it will be okay. For the post URL, I think I forgot. Yes, I forgot something. I think I need to guard let image URL equal try await image uploader dot upload the function that we just created, upload create post image, and we will pass ui image. Okay, and here we will give it and of course else return. And here we will pass image URL. For each video it will be false, and we will give it the timestamp, which is the current time. Okay, perfect. I think then we got guard let encoded post equal try firestore dot encoder dot encode post else return, and we finish with try await post ref dot set data, and we pass encoded post. Okay, that's all we need. So finger crossed, I hope we didn't forget anything. So if I build the project, hopefully everything will be working perfectly. So of course, let's hope it, because a lot of changes was made. So okay, here I will write, this is my philosophy in life, and here I will select an image, which will be, if you are afraid of failing, you won't get very far, and clearly there is a little problem, so I don't like it. It's not the way it should be. So let's close it. Let's go to our create post view. I think there was a problem, and probably yes, proxy.size.width -30, not proxy.size.width. Okay, a small problem, but we need to take it into consideration. So if I update now, so if I click on what's on your mind, if I write, this is my philosophy in life, and choose the image. Okay, it looks perfect. I click on post and wait for it, and hopefully it will get dismissed and everything. Okay, perfect. So now I need to go to Firebase. If I refresh this, hopefully I will have a new collection called posts. So finger crossed, and I apologize, the internet connection is not the best here. So okay, there is a collection called posts. Wait for it. Okay, perfect. I think his video, the ID, the post title, this is my philosophy in life, the link of the post URL, the timestamp, it's correct. If I go to my storage, I should have a new folder for the post image. So let's wait for it. Of course, yes, we got the folder, perfect. And we got the file, so really perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one we will be fetching the post. So it's over for this video. If you did like the video, please like, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.